Oh, welcome to my channel and how YouTubing. Today I'm going to show you how I make this rose votive candle holder. All the items that I used for this project were purchased from the Dollar Tree, except for the rose. I purchased the rose from Michael's, but it was really cheap and quick and easy to make, and I think it would be pretty for Valentine's Day. So if you're interested in how I made it, please stay tuned. The items needed for this project are one of these long stem candle holders, and of course your tea light candle, your Mod Podge, glitter, scissors, your diamond wrap, and roses. Like I said, I purchased these from Michael's, but you can also purchase them from the Dollar Tree. I just wanted these because they are bigger. So the first thing that I did was brush the stem with Mod Podge, and I'm going to leave about an inch from the top. And I forgot to mention you needed one of these spongy brushes. And after you get it covered with Mod Podge, then I'm going to sprinkle my glitter. Sprinkle it all over. And if you need to go back over it with Mod Podge again and fill in any spaces. Okay, then I'm going to let this dry for a few minutes. And then after it dries, I'm going to go back over it again with another coat of Mod Podge to seal in the glitter. So after the glitter dries, okay, I put my glitter on and then I put another coat of Mod Podge over top of it to seal it in. And it's just about dry. So I'm going to cut out I just need one row of the diamond wrap. And I'm going to put it around the bottom edge. And I'm going to be wrapping this all the way around the rim. Okay, now that I've got my diamond wrap around the bottom, I'll get these strings later. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do is take my rose. I'm going to pull one off the stem. I'm going to pull this bottom piece off, and I'm going to keep this part because I will be using it. And I'm going to pull the pieces out. And I don't think I'm going to use this part. So I'm going to cut out each part of the rose petal, or you could leave two attached to each other. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue the rose petals to the glass. So I'm just going to add a dab of glue. I'm just going to go all the way, just go around the glass and just start gluing petals. And then when you get to your second part, your second layer, you just do the same thing. Just cut out your petals. And then just glue them up here. And just kind of look at it and just see where it got empty spaces at, and just try to fill those empty spaces in with the rose petals. Okay, I think I need one right there. And just continue to cut your rose petals, and then just keep continuing to add them, and just go around and look at it and just figure out where you need to add it at. And as soon as I finish these two pieces, I'll be right back. Okay, now I've added all of my pieces that I'm using, all the petals that I'm using. So I went back inside and kind of just dabbed glue in between the rose petals and just put them together, because some of them were like laying, like that one laying down. And just put a dab of glue and then just stick it to this one. Okay, and after you get done with that, then this piece right here, I'm just going to cut it into two separate pieces. And then I'm going to glue these under the bottom. then you're going to take your the leaves. I like to use the leaves from the roses. So I'm just going to pull off a couple of them. Okay, I'm going to lay it down now since I'm working from the bottom. So what I'm going to do is just try to fill in the spaces in between with the leaves. So I'm going to put a little bit dab of glue. And then I'm going to stick it right there. And I'm only going to use 3 leaves, but you could use as many as you want to. And then I'm going to take my diamond wrap and I'm going to use 3 rows. And then I'm just going to glue it up here. But maybe I'll use another, see where this part is. I'm going to use another leaf to cover that up. Okay. And then I'm going to take my diamond wrap and just wrap it around. Like I said, I'm using the 3 rows. So I'm going to glue it around as close as I can get it to the top as possible. And I'll be right back. And now that I've added my diamond wrap around the top, now only thing I have to do is just turn on my light and just pop it in. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.